The cab driver, Mr. Patel, was shot in the head with his own gun. The killer left it in Mr. Patel's cab after he stole his money.
Who did you identify as the killer?
That man there at the defense table, Stephen Gerard.
Keep it together, Steve. The jury's watching. I don't want them seeing you look upset.
I'm sorry. It's hard. I can't breathe. I didn't kill anyone.
Detective, tell us why you think Mr. Gerard was the killer.
A bouncer at this club saw Gerard get into the victim's cab at 1 a.m. The taximeter showed that Gerard was dropped off a block from his apartment at 1:23 a.m. That's exactly when a convenience store clerk near the murder scene heard a gunshot and called the police.
You arrested Mr. Gerard at his apartment the next day?
Yes, he waived his rights and he admitted that he had gotten into a fight with the driver about the fare. We searched his place for the money he took from Mr. Patel, but it was gone.
Wants to make sure you get back in time for the party.
He sent you just to tell me that?
Mm-hmm.
Steve, meet Lisa Cruz, one of our investigators.
Ron says you only took this case to avoid small talk at the Christmas party.
I did it to stop an injustice. Missing the Christmas party was just a bonus.
Wait, you can't put me back in jail. I didn't do anything.
Pipe down, Mr. Gerard. Your lawyer isn't here for your pre-trial conference, so I'm moving your trial to May.
May? I can't stay in jail until May. Please don't do this.
Give me a second. Your Honor, hold on. May I speak to this man?
Do what you want. You've got 30 seconds.
What's your story?
They say I shot a cab driver, but I didn't. See, my friends and I went out to celebrate after midterms.
Midterms? You're a college student?
My friends met some women and they ditched me. I didn't have a ride back home from the club, so I called a cab. I didn't realize until later that I lost my wallet at the club and I couldn't pay.
Then what happened?
He turned into an alley and he pulled a gun on me. I ran for my life.
Where'd you get the bruises?
Jail. I keep getting jumped in the yard. I've been in 3 months. My mom lives in Pittsburgh and she didn't have the money to post my bail or come out here even.
Let me see this guy's file.
Why? It's not your case.
Just give me the file. No witness statement, no forensic evidence. You got this kid on a murder charge, but you have no case.
Time's up.
Your Honor, Mr. Gerard just fired his old lawyer. I'm taking his case. When's his trial set for?
Friday.
Great. Based on these facts, it's a one-day case, so we'll keep that trial date.
If you take December 22nd, it ends when court closes at 5 p.m. I'm not keeping a jury here over the holiday break. You understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Miss Hale, check your exhibits with the clerk.
Your client looks pretty nervous.
No, he shouldn't. DA hasn't met her burden. And when she rests, I'm moving to dismiss. If the judge doesn't grant it, I'll rest and go to closings. See, juries never want to hang around before the holidays, so we'll be out here by 5. Steve will be home on a plane back to Pittsburgh to see his mom.
Mr. Nicholson, you're cross.
I know we all want to get out of here for the holidays, so I'll be brief. My client's prints weren't found on the gun, were they?
No.
And no one saw him shoot the driver.
No.
And you didn't find any money or anything to support your theory this was a robbery. Now, isn't it possible the reason there wasn't any money in the cab is because Mr. Patel just started his shift and didn't have any cash on hand?
Or he did, and your client stole it.
What's that, a theory? Basically, what you've got against my client is Jack. In fact, Your Honor, the DA's case is so weak, we're moving for a judgment of acquittal now.
Miss Hale?
Great to see you, Councilman. Hey, go easy on the booze as your... Bill, grab some duck. Eva? Tell the bartenders to save the Dome Perignon for potential clients. They can get the DA's brute. They'll be able to tell which is which by their suits.
How does Ron manage to juggle a full caseload and plan this party? He must sleep in his office.
No, he sleeps with the party planner, which is why he gets such a good deal and all of this.
I just have to finish one last thing. Go see if we qualify for the Dom.
Captain, great to see you. So, what do you hear about the Dunn case? You guys gonna make an arrest?
Come on, Ron. You know I can't talk about that.
I know. Have fun. In an hour, you're talking his head off. I love the Christmas party. You get to see old friends bury the hatchet, get new clients. Is Tom here yet?
Still in court. He says it's a dead bang acquittal. He'll be here soon.
Yeah, we'll see. Tom will do anything to avoid schmoozing and small talk. Oh, great. Judge Madison's here.
You know we invite all the judges, Ron.
Yes, we invite them. I just don't expect them all to show up. Hey, I'm glad she's here. Really. She's the one with issues.
I agree with Mr. Nicholson. Your case is awfully thin, Miss Hale.
Your Honor, I have to
Take it easy, let the man finish.
By law, looking at the evidence in the light most favorable to you, Miss Hale, I don't see how a reasonable jury could convict. Mr. Nicholson's right. You have Jack.
We did have Jack, but now we have a great case. This morning, an eyewitness showed up.
You can't drop an eyewitness on the defense now.
He just came forward this morning.
Yeah. You don't find that a little odd or suspicious? Where's the discovery? What the hell is this? There isn't even a witness statement.
He didn't give one. He didn't speak to the police. He spoke to me. I'm not obligated to create discovery.
Can you tell me what he said?
He saw your client shoot the driver dead. Is that clear enough for you?
Your Honor, the defense needs time to prepare for this witness. We need to request
A continuance? Not a chance. Now look, I told you when you took this case, this is a one-day trial. Now, the DA will present their new witness. You will cross him. I will get this case to the jury by 4. And if they're like most juries before a holiday, we'll have a verdict by 5. Understand?
Excuse me. I didn't order a baby. He looks like Justice Scalia.
I found him on a table in the evidence prep room.
What?
It's been abandoned, Ron.
Take him to the back. I'll get security to check tapes so we can figure out who left him.
I can't go back to jail.
Take it easy, all right? You're still walking out of here.
Oh, God, I'm sorry. Attorney-client meeting. I think there's another one on the 5th floor. What did the discovery tell you?
The eyewitness's name is Nick Allen, and he's got no criminal record. Now, when a witness shows up like this, that's all the DA has to give us. Now, usually we got months to investigate this guy. This time, we've got 5 minutes.
How can there be a witness? I didn't do this.
Don't worry. We'll handle it. Call the office. Have them set up a trial command center and send us the equipment we'll need.
How are you going to cross-examine a witness when you don't know who he is or what he's going to say?
Carefully. Steve's innocent, right? That means this guy, Nick Allen, is either lying or he's just wrong. I have to show the jury that.
I'm not going home, am I?
This case goes to jury in 3 hours. You will be on a plane home tonight. I promise.
100% innocent.